Hello everyone. Let's begin a new topic from the lesson 7 getting to know plants from class 6 science. Our today's topic is parts of a plant. Plants have different parts. Each of these parts performs a specific function. The parts of a plant are divided into two main systems. These are the part of the plant that grows mainly under the ground forms the root system. The parts like stem, leaves, flowers and fruits that remain above the ground form the shoot system. The part of the plant that grows under the ground is called the root system. It always grows towards the gravity and moisture away from the light. Types of roots. The plants have two types of roots, taproot and fibrous roots. In some plants, a single root comes out from the seed after germination. It is thicker at its upper part and generally tapers downwards. The primary root gives out several branches in every direction. The smaller branches are called lateral or secondary roots. This type of root is called taproot. Mango, neem, pine, carrot, radish are examples of plants in which taproot is found. Fibrous roots. In some plants, a bunch of thin fiber-like roots arise from the base of the stem. These are called fibrous roots. Grass, maize, wheat, onion and rice are examples of plants in which fibrous roots are found. Functions of roots. The main functions of roots are given below. Number 1 is fixation. Roots spread out into the soil and hold the plant firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. Number 2 is the conduction. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. The plant uses water and minerals to manufacture food and carry out life processes. Number 3, preventing soil erosion. Roots help binding the soil particles together. In this way, roots prevent the soil from being blown away by the wind or washed away by water. Roots of some plants are modified to perform some additional functions. Number 1 is storage of food. In plants like carrot, turnip, radish, sweet potato and beetroot, the roots are swollen due to storage of food. These are called storage roots. Look at a banyan tree. You will find rope-like growths hanging down from its bigger branches. These rope-like growth are called prop roots. These prop roots get fixed in the soil and act like pillars to provide additional support to the heavy spreading branches of the banyan trees. Sugarcane and maize have stilt roots. That means the roots that grow from lower nodes of stem for additional support. Number 3, that is the third modified function of the root, fixation of nitrogen. Plants like peas, beans, groundnuts, moog have small swellings on their roots which are called root nodules. These nodules contain rhizobium bacteria that fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil in the form of simple nitrogenous compounds and thus make the soil fertile. Plants that contain root nodules are called leguminous plants. Next modified roots is the breathing roots. Mangroves plants grow in salt lakes and marshy areas where soil contains very less air. They develop specialized roots called breathing roots for the purpose of breathing. Such roots grow vertically upwards from the underground roots of the plant and come out of the water or marsh. Each root contains numerous pores for exchange of gases. In some plants like yellow dodder, specialized parasitic roots arise from the stem. This helps them absorb water and food from the host.